Welcome to CNC Design Vault, your premium source for high-quality CNC-ready 3D models. If you're a designer, a craftsman, or a CNC enthusiast, you're in the right place. Don't go anywhere. In just a moment, I'll open this stunning 3D door model in Aspire software, where you'll see how easily you can customize it to your needs and create a toolpath for your final CNC project. The download link for this free 3D model is available in the video description and pinned in the first comment below. If you love this design, and I'm sure you will, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support keeps the creativity flowing. Stay tuned, because more amazing designs are coming your way soon. You can also resize this 3D model to fit your needs. Just go to the drawing section in Aspire, select the model, and click on Set Selected Object Size. That's it, super easy to adjust the size exactly as you want. Now it's time to create the toolpath for this design. This step will help you visualize the final result before even starting the machine operation. With the toolpath preview, you'll get a clear idea of how the design will look once carved, making sure everything is perfect before you begin cutting. Aspire 9.5 makes it incredibly easy to bring your designs to life with clean toolpaths and realistic 3D previews. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this model is optimized for CNC routers, laser cutters, and wood engraving machines. The detail and depth you get from this model make it ideal for adding a touch of luxury to any room. Just a moment, the toolpath is generating, and it's done. Take a look at the final results. Absolutely amazing, just super. At CNC Design Vault, we don't just show off, we share. And today, we're giving this model away absolutely free to all our subscribers. This premium quality model is yours to download and use, no strings attached. Just check the link in the description below and grab it now.